Students, welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am back again with one more very important session, that is name reactions in one shot. So you all remember, no, students, as a child when we were in LKG, we used to study A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. You remember that? Yes. With that, our study has started. Now I'm going to take you to that alphabetical order in that way. I will be learning all the name reactions. Point number one. Second point is I have given a very important technique to learn the name reactions. Please watch the video till the end. Next important thing, all the reactions of your NCERT are covered. This particular video will be helpful for your CBSE examination, JEE as well as NEET examination students. And most important thing is I have provided handwritten notes. It took a lot of time for me to prepare. Almost it took a lot. So please still note the video. Take it. You'll be getting complete 3 marks from this chapter. Let's start off with the session, students. And I request all of you to watch till the end. Share it with your friends so that knowledge it reaches more and more students who can't afford it. Thank you so much, students. So remember, let's start off with the session. Stay till the end. Right. As I have written, all name reactions in one shot. That is from A to Z. All will be there, students. And that too will be studying alphabetical order. That is what is important. So there is a technique to study this. So I'll present that in front of you all. Just check, students. Right. As we all know, A for apple. In the same way, A for aldol condensation reaction. Easy, right? So this aldol condensation reaction, if I have to see, aldol condensation reaction, whenever you are studying, important thing, try to make it into 3 different columns. Check, students. First important, name of the reaction. Second, reactant 1. If there is any reactant 2, what is the reagent or what are the temperature conditions and what is the product. So all would be in this one particular page. So when you speak about aldol, basically we very well know the compounds having alpha hydrogen only will undergo aldol condensation. So what are possible? I have given you both the possibilities. One is ethanol, one is acetone. So here 2 molecules of ethanol are combining, 2 molecules of acetone are combining. What is important, students? It's going to occur in the presence of a dilute base. So it can be sodium carbonate also, it can be barium hydroxide also.
Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me.
Unacademy introduces Ask a Doubt feature, a personal tutor. Students, this is going to help you in completing your assignments, homeworks, and it will also be helping you in doing your self-study.
Ask us a doubt 24/7, students.
Here is a procedure, students. Step 1, go to your Google Play Store. There download the Unacademy Learning app. Then as soon as you open, you get started, give your mail address or the mobile number, whichever is possible. Next step, once you enter there, your Unacademy mail ID, enter, go to continue. Select your residence, where you're staying, which state. You get an OTP to your mobile. After that, search for the goal, grade 11 or grade 12. Select your language of preference. Then you would get an option, yes, welcome bonus of almost 200 credits earned. That's a additive to your account. Then you can directly go, you have the scrolling as you see. There's an ask a doubt feature over there. Simple as that. Enter the code, right? There's an invite code asked. Then you can click it. Yes, you're ready to get your doubt solved. What should you do, students? Wherever you have doubt, first important thing, take a picture or choose it from the gallery. Then comes your step 2, cropping the picture. Then comes your step 3, either uploading or submitting your question. Step 4, as you know, once you send students, how many of our unlimited doubts are there? Whether it is in maths, physics, chemistry or biology, select the subject which you want your doubt to be cleared. Then you can just type, right, I have a doubt. Can I get the solution? It's already there, uploaded, you sent it, you have sent it, cropped it. So automatically you get your doubts cleared from your educators. Right, students? Instantly, n number of doubts, both in English and Hindi. Easy? Yes, students. Follow the steps. All are available. One good news, students. Ask 10 doubts and get free Unacademy subscription. That's till 14th March. Only thing, procedure is given to you all. Watch that. Ask us 10 doubts and get free subscription for 15 days on the Plus platform. Note the date, students. It is till 14th March, extended from 10th March to 14th March.
Yes, I am there with grade 12 students where I'll be solving previous year's questions. This batch is going to continue for 2 months. All the core subjects, that is chemistry, physics, biology and mathematics are going on, students. I'll be taking the sessions on Monday and Wednesday between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Please join me. These are the Unacademy subscription features where we have daily practice sessions, weekly mock tests, live quizzes, daily MCQs and subjective test series where a 360-degree support system would be there. So please join our students using my referral code Vani Life. These are the Unacademy subscription pricing both for Plus and Iconic features. Just check here, students. You have an opportunity for joining us in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 15 months and 18 months. Yes, it's up to you. Please check the prices and join me. Use my referral code Vani Life. Now, in the month of March, you'll be getting 5% discount, students. So utilize that and join me for the live classes every day. Download the Unacademy app from Google Play Store. Remember to use my referral code Vani Life. Getting free sessions for both grade 12 students basically in the month of March. I have scheduled so many sessions, students. Let us see those. This session starts on 1st March and it's going to continue almost for the whole month, students. Here I have mentioned the topic, I have mentioned the date, I have mentioned the timings also. Important thing, all are free classes. Please join me. Every topic whichever I deal are the most important concepts for your board examination. Let's crack board 2021. Join me, students. Please note all are free special classes. I'll be conducting live quizzes on different chapters of organic chemistry, which will be giving a complete summary of the chapter. Join me, students, for free special classes, which are there available in the Unacademy app. So, as I have mentioned, this journey is going to continue till 27th March. Meet me for the special classes every day at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And for the YouTube sessions every day between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., join me. The link for Ask a Doubt feature is given in the description. Please go through the link for both grade 11 and 12 students. Join me, students. Ask a Doubt, that is 10 doubts, and get free 15-day subscription on the Plus platform. Thank you so much.
So 2 molecules of ethanol with 2 molecules of acetone are combining. Finally, what do we get? If 2 ethanols or 2 aldehydes combine, we would get aldol product. If 2 acetones or 2 ketones are combining, we are going to get a compound that's nothing but 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone. That means a sort of ketal sort of thing. Correct, no, students? Now, ketal, aldol and ketal. Now, what is the final product? So simple, I made it into one page. Now, this is your basic final product, that is nothing but formation of crotonaldehyde or butenol. Okay, this is what I studied for aldol. Next alphabet is B, students. B stands for ball. B stands for benzoin condensation, Ball-Schiemann reaction, Bogle-Blanc reduction. So you need to learn all these 3 for your board examination as well as competitive exams. So what did I do? I have divided the page again into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First I have written alphabet B stands for name of the reaction. What is the reactant? In this case, 2 benzaldehyde molecules will condense. In the presence of what? The reagent would be alcoholic KCN. And you're going to heat. Both will combine together and forms a compound called benzoin. So that's why benzoin condensation. In the same way, Ball-Schiemann reaction, what are we going to take? We are going to take BTC. What are we preparing? We are preparing fluorobenzenes in the presence of what reagent? HBF4. So, all the information is there in one page. Yes, students. In the same way, what did I do? I have taken the next page, Bogle-Blanc reduction. Bogle-Blanc reduction. What is a reactant? Ethyl acetate. So ethyl acetate, in the presence of sodium and ethanol, it undergoes reduction process. You can also use a reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride, where there's a cleavage of the bond where you're going to get one alcohol and one, basically the same. Both the alcohols are going to be prepared from this. That is the reduction. Addition of two hydrogens on both the sides. Isn't it easy, students? Yes. Then C comes for C for cat, as we have studied. And for your good organic reactions, Cannizaro's reaction, carbylamine reaction, Claisen condensation reaction, Claisen-Schmidt reaction, Clemenson's reduction, coupling. So what did I do? I have divided again the whole page into name reaction, reactant 1, reactant 2, reagent, and the product. So basically what is there in Cannizaro's reaction? The condition is no alpha hydrogen. So what will react? Either formaldehyde will react or two molecules of benzaldehyde will react in the presence of what? Concentrated sodium hydroxide. What product is you getting? One will be oxidized product, one will be reduced product. So in both the cases, one is alcohol, one is salt of that particular metal. That also I have mentioned here in both the cases. So when Cannizaro's is given, the whole component is here. Easy. Next students. After this carbylamine reaction, basically carbylamine reaction is characteristic for primary amines. In the presence of what? In the presence of chloroform and an alcoholic KOH as a base. So when primary amines combine with chloroform and you're heating it, you'll be getting an offensive smelling compound. That's nothing but ethyl carbylamine. If you take aniline, phenyl carbylamine. So the whole reaction is here representing the importance of carbylamine reaction. Next comes Claisen condensation reaction, Claisen-Schmidt reaction. So two molecules of ethyl acetate I have taken, the reagent I have mentioned here, and what is in Claisen condensation? We are going to get an ester that the acetoacetate in the form of an ester, that is your CH3COO, CH3CO. Basically the basic formation of ester is what is mentioned. So ethanol also is formed. When you take Claisen-Schmidt, you are going to combine one benzaldehyde molecule and acetaldehyde molecule. You require dilute sodium hydroxide and you're preparing cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde is this compound. So I have given the whole concept of the reaction. You can directly note it. Next, I have taken next reaction, Clemenson. So there are three possibilities, students. Ethanol, acetone, and acetophenone undergoes Clemenson reduction. When we say reduction, it is addition of hydrogen. For that, we are using zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, where all the three cases hydrocarbons are prepared. Correct? So Clemenson reaction is used to prepare hydrocarbons. I think the page is clear. Next, I have done coupling reaction. So same name reaction, reactant 1, reactant 2, reagent or reaction conditions, that be any temperature, pressure sort of things, and the product. Finally, in coupling reaction, BDC is going to combine with aniline, concept number 1. Second, BDC is going to combine with phenol. This is concept number 2. What temperature? Less than 5 degree temperature. What are you going to get? You are going to get para-aminobenzene. This is your para group. This is azobenzene, not amino, azobenzene. Basically, we are preparing azobenzenes, which is an orange colored dye. So what is this, students? It is an orange colored dye. These are all dyes which you are preparing. Orange colored dye. Correct, no? So that also I have written in one page. Next, D for duck. We have studied that. So D stands for diazotization reaction, students. So in diazotization, I have written the name of the reaction. What is important? Here you are going to use HNO2, nitrous acid. What are we preparing? Basically, we are preparing BDC. In diazotization reaction, we are preparing BDC. From where? From aniline. So this is the type of conversion also. So how I have prepared BDC? I have just shown you here. Taking NaNO2 and HCl, we will be getting a nitrous acid. That nitrous acid you are going to combine with the salt of aniline, right? And finally, you're going to prepare BDC. That's the whole reaction of diazotization I have written here which reaction conditions less than 5 degree. Got it, students? Very good. Now E stands for esterification reaction, and we have studied in LKG. E stands for elephant. So two reactions are there. One is esterification, one is Itard's. Both the reactions I have mentioned here. For esterification, we very well know acid reacts with an alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, which is reversible, and finally we get esters. In Itard reaction, same thing, students, almost a toluene we are going to take, not same, basically we are going to take chromyl chloride. So chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride and water, you'll be getting benzaldehyde. So nothing, when they ask you convert toluene to benzaldehyde, you can use Itards. Isn't it easy? Next comes F. F stands for FAN. F stands for Finkelstein reaction, Fittig reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So I have taken all the reactions in one page. You very well know Finkelstein is used to prepare iodoalkenes. Where what presence? You are going to convert chloro to iodo. With what, students? Potassium iodide and acetone. These two are required as solvents to prepare. So I have taken two examples, chloro and bromo, and I have got iodoalkenes. When it comes to Fittig reaction, you are going to take two aryl rings in the presence of sodium metal and dry ether, and you are going to prepare biphenyls. Simple? Yes. Then Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. So in alkylation, we very well know benzene combines with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which will act as a Lewis acid. Finally, you are going to get conversion of benzene to toluene. Correct? So Fittig reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, then acylation. So Friedel-Crafts acylation can be done with benzene in combination of acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride, benzoyl chloride, all the three. What do you require? You require an Lewis acid anhydrous AlCl3. In the first case and the second case, when you react with benzene with these two, you will be getting acetophenone, both the cases. And when you react with benzoyl chloride, you will be getting benzophenone. So I have written all the reactions in one page. Is it useful, students? Yes. G stands for grapes now. G stands for Gabriel thalamide synthesis, Gattermann's reaction, Gattermann-Koch reaction, Gattermann aldehyde reaction. So all the reactions I have written. Thalamide also I have mentioned here. Gattermann's reaction also I have mentioned. So basically, students, thalamide, in this we are preparing, the main aim is we are preparing primary amines. In this is going to undergo potassium thalamide, alkyl thalamide, like that, step by step. I have written the direct reaction. If you don't remember the whole thing, you can write this. You will be getting mark for this. 50% mark. Not all examiners, but product is mentioned. Yes, you will get mark for that. Then comes Gattermann's reaction, where you are going to take BDC, treat it with copper in the presence of HCl, chlorobenzene. If you take copper in the presence of HBr, bromobenzene. In both the cases, nitrogen gas is out. So it's an idea of the overall name reaction in one page. Next comes Gattermann-Koch and Gattermann aldehyde. In Gattermann-Koch, we are going to convert benzene to benzaldehyde. Benzene to benzaldehyde, students. And important thing, these are the reaction conditions. RC stands for reaction condition. Reaction conditions. Okay. Then Gattermann aldehyde synthesis, where you are converting phenol to orthohydroxybenzaldehyde in the presence of Lewis reaction. So in aldehyde, you are going to take HCl in the presence of HCl, where you prepare phenol to orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Next comes H. H for horse, which we have studied. But in your chemistry, H stands for Helmholtz-Zielinski reaction, Hoffman-Bromamide reaction, and Hinsberg test and Hunt-Stecker reaction. So all the things I have mentioned in halo form, we very well know. Primary alcohols will undergo, aldehydes will undergo, methyl ketones will undergo. So I have written all the reactants, that is iodine in the presence of a base, everywhere you'll be getting the formation of iodoform, yellow color PPT. So the complete haloform reaction is here, isn't it, students? Next comes HVZ reaction, Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction, where you're going to convert acetic acid that is containing the alpha, basically the alpha hydrogen, is going to form trichloroacetic acids. What do you require? Chlorine and red phosphorus. So you're going to prepare alpha halo acids. Adjacent to the carboxylic acid, you'll be adding an halogen and preparing alpha halo acids. Then comes Hoffman's bromamide reaction, students, where two conditions. Acetamide also undergoes Hoffman's bromamide. Benzamide also undergoes Hoffman's bromamide. What am I going to take? Bromine in the presence of KOH. You're heating it. What are the main products? In Hoffman bromamide, 1 carbon less products you'll get. 1 carbon less products you'll get. So here acetamide, 1 carbon less methylamine. Benzamide, 1 carbon less aniline you're getting. Got it, students? Yes. So that is how you need to write the whole reaction. Check. One more. Hinsberg reagent test. This is your Hinsberg reagent. It's going to combine, primary will combine removal of HCl. You'll get N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. You're removing HCl. 1 hydrogen, 1 Cl. Secondary amine also forms with NN dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. But when it comes to tertiary, there is no hydrogen. No hydrogen. So what does it do? This tertiary is going to form, when it combines with sodium hydroxide, forms this compound, which further reacts with your tertiary and forms a particular salt. Right, students? Understood? Right. Then comes Huns-Decker reaction. Huns-Decker reaction, basically you're going to take silver salts. You can take both for aliphatic and aromatic. What is important? In the presence of bromine and carbon tetrachloride. What are we preparing in Huns-Decker? We are preparing alkyl halides and aryl halides, along with the release of carbon dioxide and silver bromide precipitate. Easy. Last. K stands for kite, as we have studied. We are going to see Kolb's method and Kolb-Schmitt reaction. What did I do? I have written Kolb's method. What are they going to ask you? At anode, which gas is released? Carbon dioxide gas. At cathode, which gas is released? Hydrogen gas. Okay. So we are going to take sodium acetate and we are going to do the electrolysis process where you get ions which further get liberated at the anode and liberated at the cathode. Finally, we are preparing hydrocarbon. Easy. Next, Kolb's reaction. Nothing, students. Here, Kolb-Schmitt reaction, where we are going to take sodium phenoxide and carbon dioxide also. So the temperature conditions are given here. That's 120 degrees to 140 degrees, students. So 4 to 7 atmospheres. Can you tell me what are we preparing? Can anybody guess what are we preparing? Kolb-Schmitt reaction or Kolb's reaction. That is the most important reaction where, I'll give you a clue. Basically, if you forget this, or if you forget this, important, I'll tell you, try to find out this product and send me in ask a doubt feature. Product and send me in ask a doubt feature. I told you how to ask. You'll be getting ask a doubt feature. Ask a doubt feature. You'll be getting 15-day subscription free for the students. Ask a doubt feature. You'll be getting 15-day free subscription. Same doubt. You just ask this, send it to me. I'll answer you. Is it? Sure. Next, students. L stands for lion. Then N stands for Lieberman's nitroso reaction. So what did I do? I have taken the whole reaction. I have written here aliphatic and aromatic secondary amines are going to give this. I have taken the secondary amine, have reacted with nitrous acid. So what are we going to get? Nitrosoamines. That is what is important. So Lieberman's nitroso test are converting secondary amines to nitrosoamines, diethyl nitrosoamines. So I think you have seen, students, I have almost given you the complete idea of name reactions. So in my next video, in my next video, I'm going to do the name reactions. So name reactions part 2, it will be coming day after tomorrow. Okay, day after tomorrow. So day after tomorrow, I'll be publishing one more video day after tomorrow where alphabetical order here, what will be complete? L, no. We'll be completing day after tomorrow in part 2 from M to Z. M to Z. Whatever name reactions are there, I'll be completing that. So thank you so much for watching, students. Note everything. Everything is given in front of you. Vani ma'am is always with you. Kindly share the video. More and more you share, more and more knowledge it spreads. Thank you so much, students. Share the video, please. Thank you. I'll meet you day after tomorrow.